guys, so we are headed off to the mall. They like to go to this mall where they have a splash pad and a train and a candy store. So I'm gonna be taking them, and it's just been like a crazy morning to where I haven't really had time to have breakfast. So I'm getting one of these to go. It's like my new thing. There's my Starbucks, but this is like the best. So they are called Snap Crispy Protein Bars. I have had the caramel pretzel, and my husband likes the chocolate peanut butter one, which is fine when he goes to work because Jax is allergic to peanuts. That's my 4-year-old son, if you guys don't know. So this one we don't eat around him, but my husband takes his to work and loves it. We've got the vanilla marshmallow. I have not tried this one yet, but I think I'm gonna let Jay try it out. You wanna try the vanilla marshmallow? Yeah. And so what these are, so these are protein bars, and they have 15 grams of protein, 3 grams of sugar, and they are gluten-free. And you get 7 protein bars in here, and yeah, it's pretty cool. If you do Weight Watchers, which I used to do, this is 5 points per bar, which is pretty good. And especially because you know you're getting your protein. The calories is 160 per bar. I don't know if they're all different. Oh yeah, this one's 170. This one is so good. This one I'm taking. This one is my favorite right here, you guys. So I'm gonna start eating part of mine right now. These are so good, especially like if you're a person or a mom like me who's always on the go. This is like the perfect replacement, and it's so filling too. Like one of these, look how thick this is. It's not like your typical thin little bar. It's so good. I'll have a link for these down below. I highly recommend these. Okay, Jade's gonna do a taste test. Do you like how it's crispy? It's good? You taste the marshmallow in that one? The vanilla? Yeah, that one looks good. So don't ever skip breakfast. I highly recommend this. This is what my breakfast is today with my coffee. Sorry, it's blurry right now. Let me focus that. Jax, what game are you playing? Oh, okay, you guys, so I highly recommend you guys get these different flavors, and I will have the link down below for it. And just remember, don't ever skip breakfast. Like, even though I don't have time, I'm grabbing one of these, and this is giving me what I need and keep me going, give me the energy I need. And I just love how crispy they are. So for lunch, I'm going to make a wrap that involves eggs, tomato, bacon bits, and the lettuce. I didn't have any lettuce, you guys, so I'm going to just grab some out of here and then save the bag for the actual salad. So I'm not gonna use dressing or anything. I'm just gonna use the romaine lettuce, broccoli, cabbage, green onion, and yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm not using cheese or anything else, just the actual like mix. So I thought that would be kind of cool. Instead of, you know, stressing about, I have no lettuce. Now I've got something in there for that extra crunch. So all I'm gonna do is get my flat out multi-grain flatbread, and I'm gonna just leave it as it is. Oh, just grabbed a lot out. So these are 100 calories, and I'm going to do a video next about if I'm going to continue on Noom or if I'm going back to Weight Watchers. Okay, but anyways, besides that, I'm going to crack my egg. I don't know why I did this. I'm so like out of it. Since the kids have been home for the summer, I've been kind of just like brain farts all the time. So anyways, I'm just gonna crack my egg. I like to boil my eggs. I've tried the air fryer. I didn't like how it came out. It looked all like weird inside. I don't know. I probably did it wrong, but it's okay. Okay, so egg, they're still kind of hot. I thought I cooled it off good enough, but anyways, look at that steam coming out. Oh my gosh, I love hard-boiled eggs. Don't you guys? When I go to people's houses and they have parties and they've got deviled eggs, oh my gosh, I'm chilling there. Like, that's where I'm chilling, by the deviled eggs. Also, I wanted to ask you guys, do you guys prefer voiceovers or when I'm like blah, 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 talking to you guys like this? So I wanted to tell you guys too, I usually make my egg sandwiches, any egg mixtures with avocado, but I actually did not have the avocado. It's so hard to find a good avocado nowadays. So yeah, I wasn't lucky with that. So I'm just gonna use my light mayo. This would obviously be a lot healthier with the avocado in here than the mayo. I remember when I did Weight Watchers, my voice shaking, the mayonnaise was always like the highest like in points whenever I made a dish. So I remember that. Okay, so that's good enough. I don't need it like all perfect. Just like that is fine. I'm gonna add about a tablespoon of the mayo. Another thing, I heard Greek yogurt is really good to use, but I have like this thing where, I don't know, I feel like it's gonna ruin my eggs to add Greek yogurt. I haven't tried it yet, so I can't really judge, but it's just like that thought. Some pepper. I love pepper, so I coat that in there. And then I'm trying to lay off the salt, just a dash of salt. My sodium intake is horrible. And then I'm gonna add some bacon bits. This is like the best thing. I bought turkey bacon so I can start making bacon like normal people do, but this is good enough. This is good in like pasta salads, like all kinds of stuff. I love this. So mix that. And then I'm gonna add all of my tomatoes. And then I've got my little mixture there. So now I'm gonna add in my lettuce, like I said. And then I'm going to add my mixture. Oops. I love egg sandwiches and egg wraps. Okay, so this I'll give to my daughter and she'll eat it. Okay, so now I'm gonna, let me kind of go like this because I get nervous when you guys watch. Like I do it so good when you guys don't watch, and then when you watch I get all panicky and nervous. Like you guys stress me out, just kidding. Okay, so I just tuck it aside and just get in there, don't wanna waste it. And then roll it up. There's some pieces coming out. Oh my gosh. And here is my lunch, you guys. I've got a wrap with egg, bacon, and that lettuce mix, carrots, and some cranberries. I love cranberries. It's kind of like an adult fruit snack for me. So yeah, there you go. There is my lunch. Gonna have this with some water, ice cold water.
No. Yeah.
So we're making our dessert.
I'm making dessert. I love you so much.
Okay, the kids are gonna be making dessert, which is going to be frozen cereal bark. Okay, so what the kids are gonna do, they are going to sprinkle the cereal on top and spread the yogurt, and then I'm gonna put it in the freezer for about 3 hours, and then we're gonna have dessert later on. Okay, so we have the Greek non-fat yogurt, and it has strawberries in it. And yeah, so she's just kind of flattening that in there. Most people like to do this in like the flat sheets, but ours is not clean, so we're experimenting and going to use this round one. So now what they're gonna do is they're gonna sprinkle cereal on top. And you guys washed your hands, which is good. Once they're finished, I'm gonna place that in the freezer and you guys will be able to see it once we are all done. Time to put this in the freezer. The kids are waiting for their yogurt, their cereal yogurt thing to be ready, and I actually am too because it looked really good. So we still got like another 2 hours, but it's dessert, so we gotta tell ourselves after dinner. Chopped onions, chopped by the husband, because I'll start crying. We're gonna brown the onions now. Look we got some jalapenos here. So far onions, browning, and then we got jalapenos that we are going to grill. Okay, now we're preheating the grill. And while we're preheating it, we're gonna play with the kids. Oh, that one didn't work that good. Okay, so this is what we are going to put on the grill as well. It's the beer bratwurst by Johnsonville. One grilled link is 260 calories. I don't know why I had that accent, you guys. But yeah, but we're going to grill these slowly over medium-low heat. And it says for best results, it should be between 300 and 350, so we're gonna do that. $300, $350, and what I'm gonna do is just keep turning it every once in a while. Keep an eye on it and keep an eye on the jalapenos. Okay, the onions smell and look delicious. Jalapenos. They smell so good. Mustard on here. I love me some mustard. And then I'm gonna add a triangle Swiss cheese on top, and this is the light one. Creamy light. And then I'm gonna add some watermelon. It's my dinner! Ta-da! Cool! All right, I decided I'm gonna show you guys what my husband's is gonna look like after, so look for that if you guys want like an actual one with the bun and all that. And I'll be back later with the dessert. He straight up added carne asada that he made on the grill. Oh my gosh, looks so good. I'm surprised you didn't add cheese whiz on this. Now he's adding oh, that looks so good. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is the works, okay? This is, I need to look good for the summer, and this is, I don't care. Like, he's got carne asada, the bratwurst, the jalapenos, the mustard. Oh my gosh, that looks so good. Hey guys, we just got this out of the freezer, and as you can see, if you could see that, it is frozen, so time to break it up into pieces. Some of the cereal didn't really stick good, but that's fine. Dessert, anyone? This is what it looks like. We have to eat it right away, or else obviously it's gonna start melting, but I already took a bite of this one. It tastes so good. So that's our dessert, and the kids are gonna enjoy it.